So let's do that. Ooh. We got electric fans even? This is what happens when you order parts. You don't ever do anything with them. You forget what you ordered. This is nice! I thought it was just gonna be one of them cheap plastic tank ones. This is a full-on aluminum fabricated radiator. This is way too nice for our garbage. How did we end up with this? We probably need to figure out who provided this radiator. Give them a proper shout out. Some company that does radiators. Water temp sensor and wire harness. Unfortunately, we won't be using that. I don't like electric fans because I don't like hearing that noise. And they don't move the air. Maybe we should with gas prices the way they are, you know? Take less load off that 180 horse 350. Oh man, tranny cooler built right into it. Ooh. This thing's good. We just like quadrupled the value of this thing. More than that. Son of a biscuit. Well, this one's 20 by 33 and that one's 19 by 33. So we might have to do a little work to make it work. Let's get the old one out because we know it's got to come out either way. And then we got to get the fans off of this because I refuse to run them. And we'll go from there. That thing is nice. Nice. Look at this CNC machined cap. Damn! Good stuff. Don't fall and dent yourself. And like, it's got the heater hose implementation thing on here. And it's got like a nice threaded fitting inside of it. So we just got to take that guy out. And it unblocks it. But that's pretty cool they sent you that. All right, Greta, we got some nice green coolant in it.
How dare you?
Which Duff will not be drinking. Duff doesn't drink coolant, nor has any other animal that I've ever seen in the 30 years I've been around coolant, just in case you were wondering. So while that's draining, I'm gonna start pulling the hardware out of the hold down, unhooking some hoses, and see if we can't get that out of there. Oh, we gotta do tranny lines, heater hose, all that fun stuff. Not much to see here, so you can watch me work real fast. Got the old one out. I don't know, no real hang-ups there. Didn't even fill the floor drain with coolant, Greta. Let's get these fans off of here. See how this thing slides in. Even like the petcock is machined. It's not your normal stamp steel. And it came with one. How many times have you bought a new radiator and didn't come with a petcock or radiator cap? Pretty nifty. All right, let's do a electric fan delete upgrade. Whatever. We got the louver stamped in there. Dang. So surprisingly, the tanks where the weld sits right where it needs to be in the brace in the bottom. The bad news is, being taller, our original hold down won't work. But I think they made two different size radiators for these things. Which is funny because this is a factory air conditioned vehicle. So I think we just need to get the hold down that bolts on the top here. We'll have to figure out how to get hardware on the inside of these holes. But I think there's a clamp that goes and bolts down from the top as opposed to bolting from the front. I've actually never seen one that bolts from the front like that, so we'll have to go do some digging, see if we can find one of those. But otherwise, everything else, tranny cooler lines, like they bolt up. Some of these things have just pipe threads in them. These actually have the machined threads in there or whatever for the inverted flare, so that's good. And then, like I said, we'll have our overflow and our heater hose there. And then also I'm gonna go see if I can find a shroud, because I was thinking I saved a shroud off of like that 81 Suburban. Ooh, I wonder if we saved a hold down out of that thing. I bet I didn't, but maybe Chin did. Oakley dokley.
Oakley dokley.
See what we can do here. Nothing's ever bolt in. Never, ever is. No matter who tells you it is, or even if it says it is. But even we could put some mechanics wire and zip tie it ahead or whatever. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere for a while. For what we're gonna do, we're not hard on stuff. But yeah, I wanna get a shroud on it. This should be a lot better than what we had in there. All right, I'm gonna go, well, it's still halfway light out. See if I can find a rad meter hold down.